Do you know what is LAP, Loan Against Property, and what are its benefits? Please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to be the first one to receive the notification of our latest videos. You can also help us bring you the best and most reliable and updated information related to banking and finance by supporting us on patreon.com by just £1 a month. Link in the description. Hello and welcome to Bankrate, where millions of people around the world can learn and be aware of banking and finance. So let's get started. 1. What is a loan against property? A credit against property is a made sure about advance that is endorsed keeping an advantage as home loan with the money lender. This advantage can either be a claimed land, a house, or some other business premises. The advantage stays as guarantee with the bank until the whole advance against property sum is reimbursed. In the land and lodging money market today, we normally run over the expression home loan against property. Advance against property is only an advance which you benefit by keeping your business/private property as a security. Another name for loan against property is a made sure about credit. The security in this sort of advance is the property claimed by the individual applying for the credit. The estimation of your property chooses the measure of potential credit you will be endorsed. This sort of made sure about credit can be an option for unstable individual advances as it likewise has no closure use limitation. Be that as it may, the credit sum can be a lot higher and the residency is additionally longer for this situation. Credit against property financing costs are extensively lower when contrasted with any unstable advance. You can utilize these advances for business purposes like buying apparatus, purchasing crude materials, buying gear, financing of working capital, obligation combination, and so on. This sort of advance can likewise oblige individual necessities like wedding, advanced education, home redesign, purchasing another home, overseeing clinical costs, and so on. You can get up to 1 crore in the event that you are salaried and up to 3.5 crore in the event that you are self-employed. You can get your credit prepared in only 72 hours and advance some disbursal inside 4 days. Convenient repayment tenure. Credit against property documentation prerequisites are straightforward. You can likewise get your records gathered from your doorsteps when you apply for the loan. Easy to fulfill eligibility criteria. Credit against property qualification rules are anything but difficult to fulfill. Easy balance transfer facility. 2. Types of property that can be used for LAP. The sorts of property against which LAP can be profited. Self-claimed private property. Self-claimed and self-involved private property. Self-claimed however leased private property. Self-claimed real estate parcel, self-claimed business property, self-claimed however leased business property. Clients today profit credit against a property for various reasons. It could be anything from an unfamiliar excursion, huge wedding, training of your youngsters, or basically to grow your business. Buying another property, revamping existing property, credit union, balance move of existing HE/LAP and business or working capital necessity additionally from the basis of the requirement for a LAP. 3. Documents required. Estimation of your property isn't the main rules for banks to choose whether you are qualified for a credit. It must be noticed that as a standard work on loaning foundations by and large authorization advances of around 65% of the estimation of your property. The residency offered in LAP is 15 years liable to age standards while the pace of entry differs between 12% to 16%. They would regularly investigate your salary subtleties, reserve funds, work track and different angles before coming to payment. Your property or security would be assessed on the current market esteem and correspondingly the credit sum would be determined. Getting a LAP turns out to be significantly more smoothed out and quick in the event that you have all the fundamental archives set up. A brisk check of the records for LAP. KYC, for example age and address verification, salary records, proprietorship records of property, bank proclamations for the past half year, a check for the handling charge, others archives that may vary for each file. 4. Conclusion. What is it that causes purchasers to go for loan against property when they have different choices accessible? The response to this is inconspicuous yet powerful. The pace of intrigue is lower than individual advances, making it one of the least expensive and pocket-accommodating credits, coming next just to home advances. The credit residency of 15 years makes the AMI more agreeable, and there is additionally the alternative of selling your cash on account of any large cost. The main disadvantage with LAP is that the bank may claim your property in the event that you neglect to reimburse the credit sum. Nonetheless, a cautious and arranged methodology should you see through easily. Thanks for watching. We hope you learned something valuable today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Also, hit the bell icon to be the first one to get the notification of all the upcoming videos.